action on Kotak Mahindra Bank, and one that is reminiscent of what happened in the case of HDFC Bank back in 2020. RBI has now directed Kotak Mahindra Bank to stop onboarding any new customers through its online and mobile banking channels and to also stop issuing fresh credit cards. Existing customers of Kotak Mahindra Bank, however, do not get impacted. The bank can continue to service them, but Kotak cannot add any new customers through digital channels. RBI said these actions were necessitated based on significant concerns that arose out of its IT examination of the bank for the years 2022 and 2023 and the continued failure on the part of Kotak Mahindra Bank to address these concerns in a comprehensive and timely manner. It found serious deficiencies and non-compliances in IT inventory management, in user access management, vendor risk management, data security, data leak prevention strategy, business continuity and disaster recovery rigor plans, drill, etc. And so RBI said the compliances submitted by the bank were also found to be either inadequate, incorrect or not sustained. Now, because of these IT issues, RBI found that Kotak Mahindra Bank's online and digital banking channels both suffered frequent and significant outages in the last 2 years, a recent one being the service disruption earlier this month on the 15th of April, resulting in serious customer inconveniences. RBI said it has been in continuous high-level engagement with the bank on all of these concerns at least for the last 2 years, and yet the outcomes, and I quote RBI, have been far from satisfactory. Now, RBI also observed that of late there has been a rapid growth in the volume of Kotak Bank's digital transactions, including transactions pertaining to credit cards, which is building further load on the bank's IT systems. All of this made RBI impose business restrictions on the bank to protect customer interest. However, these restrictions will be reviewed after a comprehensive external audit and remediation of the deficiencies to the satisfaction of the regulator. Now, remember, Kotak Mahindra Bank has a new CEO in place, Ashok Vaswani, who's taken over from Uday Kotak, and he's just 1 quarter, a little more into the job. And if he had to hit the ground running to begin with, he'll have to sprint now because digital retail push has been a key focus area for the bank, and the credit card business is a high margin business, and if these restrictions from RBI stay on for a long period, it could seriously hurt Kotak Mahindra Bank. Important to note, there are several parallels that can be drawn from the RBI action on HDFC Bank earlier that I started with, that was also placed under similar restrictions because of IT issues, and that also happened just a few months after Shashidhar Jagdishan had taken over as the new CEO. Now, in the case of HDFC Bank, it took nearly 15 months for the restrictions to be completely lifted. For Kotak Mahindra Bank, we'll have to see.